Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have some great news for you. I found a brand new e-commerce and freelancer course campaign, and I want to share it with you. It includes training packages covering Amazon FBA, dropshipping, Shopify, affiliate marketing, WordPress, digital marketing, Etsy, eBay, and Fiverr. Normally, the 5-in-1 Maxi and 5-in-1 Pro packages, which cost $29, are now just $7 for 7 days. The 5-in-1 Maxi package contains 231 lessons, while the 5-in-1 Pro package has 346 lessons. But the courses are in Turkish. If you know Turkish, you can get all this valuable content at an incredibly affordable price. In the meantime, you can find the course links in the video description below. Even better, the 10-in-1 All Courses package, which normally costs $39, is available for only $11 during this 7-day campaign. This package includes 516 lessons. The training is mainly in video format and explained step by step. You can learn everything from selling on Amazon, creating your own website, opening stores on Etsy and eBay, to generating passive income through affiliate marketing. Plus, you'll also find training on how to work as a freelancer on Fiverr, sell your own services, and master digital marketing. Important, again, the courses are in Turkish. This can be very affordable if you know Turkish. The campaign started on August 11, 2025 and ends on August 18, 2025. After that, prices will return to their original rates. If you want to improve your skills in e-commerce and freelancing, this opportunity is for you. You can find all course links in the video description. Hurry up, sign up, and don't miss this chance. Take your first step today towards building your own business, selling online, and working freely.